mag-aaba as flower girl. Oh, excited sa first time mo, no? Wow. Oh. Wow. What will you say, Mira?
Thank you, Tita Lai. I love you.
Aww.
Guys, Tita Karen gave me from Pop Mart.
So, ayan, si Miracle ay mag-aaba as flower girl. Oh, excited sa first time mo, no? First time ni Mira mag-flower girl. You're excited? How about your eyes? Are your eyes good? Wow.
Yes, I can see better because of my surgery.
Wow! Galing siya sa surgery eh. Eye surgery. So, pinoprotect namin ang kanyang mata. Oo. At pagdating ng 18 years old na siya, saka ililasik. Ayan.
Love you na!
Ba't ka naman nakagown, no? Diyos ka naman, Loy, oh. Ito po si Loy, bagong tuli.
Sabi ng nanay ko, baka hindi ako mapansin, ikaw na lang yung mapansin.
Oo. Kung alam lang nila, ang mga gastusa.
Oo, di ba? Yaan mo naman. Diba?
Ayan, syempre, para yan sa 50th wedding ng kanyang parents. O, di ba? O, maraming nainggit kasi buhay na buhay pa ang parents si Loy. Kaya binigyan niya ng kasal. Oo. Ayan, o.
Kala ko Ariana Grande.
Mira.
Remember, oh?
No, I am Ariana Grande.
Oh, you are Ariana Grande. Yes,
Dua Lipa.
I mean, Dua Lipa.
Ew.
You are Ariana Grande and Dua Lipa.
Anong role mo dito, anak?
Flower girl.
Flower girl.
Is this your first time, Mira?
Diba?
Oo.
Is this your first time to be a flower girl, Mira? Wow, very good. Are you happy? You like your dress? Yes, that's Aki and Mira. Singapore?
It's only 4 hours.
Oh, really?
Usapan lang daw nila.
Oh. When are you going to Singapore?
February night, my birthday.
Wow!
Are you excited being the flower girl? Very good. Wow. Oh. Wow.
Wow!
Mira.
Wow!
Ayan, marami na nagbibigay ng regalo kay Mira. What's that? Who gave you that?
At Tita Lay.
Wow!
Thank you, Tita Lay.
Thank you, Tita Lay.
Tita Lay.
What's that?
Hindi ka na mabaho.
Nagbaho ba si Mira?
Uy, ang bango!
Wow!
What's that?
Wow!
What will you say, Mira?
Thank you, Tita Lay. I love you. I love you.
Sa'yo ano?
Makeup.
Makeup.
Mia,
Thank you, Tita Lay.
is there more?
Oy! Wala na!
Ito mo itong batang tumukhang regalo.
It's not yours anymore.
Tita Karen gave you something, ha?
Oo, ano na yan na? Nilaro niya na.
You just give me. But I put it here.
Ayan, ito. Bigyan Tita Karen. This one.
What will you say to Tita Karen?
Thank you, Tita Karen. I love you.